Understanding thigh rub, an English phrase explained. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss, the phrase thigh rub. You might have heard this term in various contexts, and today, we're going to dive deep into its meaning, usage, and some tips on how to avoid misunderstandings when using this phrase. So, stay tuned, and let's get started. First and foremost, let's define what thigh rub means. Essentially, this phrase refers to the friction that occurs between the inner thighs when a person walks or moves. This is a common experience for many people, especially in hot weather or during physical activity. The skin in this area can become irritated, and in some cases, it might even lead to rashes or chafing. Now that we know what thigh rub means, let's talk about how to use this phrase in sentences. Here are a few examples. 1. I need to buy special shorts to prevent thigh rub during my run. 2. After walking around the city all day, I'm really feeling the thigh rub. 3. Do you have any recommendations for products that help with thigh rub? In these examples, thigh rub is used to talk about the physical sensation and the need to prevent or address it. It's important to note that while thigh rub is a straightforward term, it can sometimes be misunderstood, especially in different cultures or contexts. To avoid misunderstandings, 1. Be clear about the context when using the phrase. 2. If someone seems confused, don't hesitate to explain what you mean. 3. Remember that discussing physical sensations can be sensitive, so always be respectful and considerate. Since thigh rub can be uncomfortable, let's talk about some ways to prevent it. 1. Wearing appropriate clothing. Choose breathable and moisture-wicking fabrics. 2. Using anti-chafing products. There are various creams and balms available. 3. Staying dry. Try to keep the inner thigh area as dry as possible. And that wraps up our video on the phrase thigh rub. We hope that this explanation has helped clarify its meaning and usage for you. Remember, communication is key, and being clear about what you mean can help prevent misunderstandings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.